How did I create 12 new passive income streams in 1 year? All right, gather around, folks, because I've got a story to tell. It's all about my wild ride through 2023, where I took on the ultimate New Year's resolution, building not just one, not two, but a whopping 12 passive income streams in just 12 months. Buckle up, because it's going to be a wild ride. Passive income. Ever heard of it? It's like having your own money-making machine that keeps churning out cash while you kick back and relax. Think rental income from a property you own or royalties from a book you wrote. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that's what I set out to achieve. January rolled around and I dove headfirst into the world of YouTube. I launched a brand spanking new YouTube channel called with one goal in mind: to cash in on YouTube Shorts. I churned out videos like there was no tomorrow, but alas, I fell short of the watch time needed to get monetized. Lesson learned. It's not always smooth sailing, but you gotta roll with the punches. Next up, alternative investing. Now, this was uncharted territory for me, but hey, fortune favors the bold, right? I spread my investment across 5 different opportunities, from local businesses to real estate. It's early days, but I've got my fingers crossed for some sweet returns down the line. March came around and it was time to dust off the old online courses. I spruced up my money-saving course and launched it on Udemy, along with a brand spanking new course about making money on Medium. The result? A tidy sum in my pocket, cha-ching. April was all about capturing the perfect shot. Armed with my trusty camera, I set out to conquer the world of stock photography. I snapped away during a family vacation in Mexico and uploaded my best shots to Adobe and Shutterstock. The result? A modest but satisfying paycheck. May was audiobook time. I finally got around to recording the audio version of my latest book. It was a slog, but totally worth it. I've sold a fair few copies and made some decent dough. June rolled around and I stumbled upon a little-known gem: Low Content Books. I churned out a bunch of these babies on Amazon, but sadly they didn't exactly fly off the shelves. Hey, you win some, you lose some. July was all about affiliate marketing. I partnered up with some cool brands and earned a pretty penny through commissions. Not too shabby. August was slow. There was not much I got up to. September was crunch time. I finally got around to writing that book I'd been putting off. It was a race against time, but I got it done and even managed to snag some pre-orders. October was all about drumming up hype for my book launch. Reviews, reviews, reviews. That was the name of the game. November was a whirlwind. I squeezed in some paid marketing for my book. It was a wild ride, but hey, I got some traction. And finally, December rolled around and I decided to try my luck on TikTok. It wasn't a roaring success, but hey, you win some, you lose some. Oh, and did I mention the bonuses? I started a Patreon and made some decent dough from Medium articles too. All in all, I made a cool $3,333 from my passive income ventures. Not too shabby for a year's work, huh? So, what's the moral of the story? Building passive income takes time, effort, and a whole lot of trial and error. But if you stick with it, the rewards can be pretty darn sweet. So go ahead, chase those dreams. Who knows where they might take you? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.